Hey there, Jermaine Pineda here, and I'm with my friends
Jocelyn Buen
and Diane Nicole Carion.
So, for today, we are going to explore the uses of exponential function and logarithmic function in our society. So, let's go!
You know what, guys? Logarithmic functions and exponential functions are really useful in science. With exponential function, it can be used to calculate the exponential growth patterns of bacteria, where A is the starting value of the function, R is the percent growth or decay rate, written as a decimal, B is the growth factor. Since powers of negative numbers behave strangely, we'll limit B to positive values. The Richter scale is a logarithmic scale used to express the total amount of energy released by an earthquake. Each number increase on the Richter scale indicates an intensity 10 times stronger, where m is equal to the magnitude of the earthquake, I is the amplitude of the seismic wave or the intensity, In is the arbitrary amplitude or arbitrary intensity.
Exponential and logarithmic functions can also be used in terms of business. Exponential and logarithmic functions can also be seen in mathematical concepts in finance, specifically in compound interest. This relationship is illustrated by the exponential function and its natural logarithmic inverse. A is the total amount we are left with over a time, P is the principal, R is the rate, and T is the time. In economics, exponential functions are important when looking at growth or decrease. Examples are the value of an investment that increases by a constant percentage each period, sales of a company that increases at a constant percentage each period, and models of economic growth. This is the formula example. I stands for the interest on the original investment, P stands for the amount of the original investment, or also called the principal, and R is the interest rate.
Not only exponentials and logarithmic functions are used in science and commerce, but it can also be used in any other fields. To examine the population growth of data, we can use the exponential functions. Exponential model of population growth described as the volume of populations as an exponential function to time, similar to where A, B, and C are constant and T is time. And lastly, to express the level of sound meaningfully in numbers that are more manageable, a logarithmic scale is used, using 10 as the base rather than a linear one. This scale is called a decibel scale, and the formula for this one is where P1 and P2 are the relative powers of the sound.
Exponential functions and logarithmic functions are really useful in our society, because without them, the equation will be long and difficult to analyze.
Exponential functions expand in a proportional manner to their size. As a result, determining the growth or shrinkage of a number is much easier.
Logarithmic functions are important too, because of their relationship to exponential functions. When the input is in the form of a product, quotient, or a value taken to the power, logarithmic functions have some qualities that allow you to simplify logarithms.
Remember, things that seem to be complicated
Can make our life easier.
That's it for our vlog. We hope you have learned something new and fun. Cheerios, adios, ciao, mwah.
Like this. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he's Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say no, man, but you could do the job when you're in town.